Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to CodeLibrary.net channel. In this video, I would like to show you about how to create product web API project with the ASP.NET Core that we use minimal APIs or REST API. So in this video, we will create simple REST APIs with minimal API that we um, use ASP.NET Core MT for creating minimal API. So this is a structure of the project, and some package that we use in this project is we use Microsoft Entity Framework Core that we use in-memory database. So we require install one package, one or more, uh, uh, one or two package in this project. So we will use uh, Visual Studio Code or VS Code for IDEs, and as the following command, we use command.net new web dash n and the name of product. This command is we use for create new empty ASP.NET Core project in VS Code by using command in terminal, event window or PowerShell also. And we need one package is a Microsoft Entity Framework Core in memory database because we store data in memory database. And project structure is we have model class, one model class that we have products for model class, and we have one class that we create for application DB context, that DB context class represent of data. So it is necessary for create up to this class in our project. So now let's get start to create new project by run command .NET new webs dash n and product API. We call this name product API. Okay, now I open VS Code. I open my VS Code IDE. Okay, you can create any folder project structure is we call simple way. You can run via command. You right click and open terminal, and you can write command here. This command for create a new project is .NET new web. Web is for creating ASP.NET Core empty project. Is we type web keywords and dash n equal name or new project and product API, and then press enter. Okay, now your project is we have create ASP.NET Core empty project was created successfully. So now we use cd command and type our project name product, and we press enter, and now we are stay in directory product ASPI project directory. So we need to open IDE for doing something with the project. If we type codes and periods and then press enter. Okay, now we open our project inside VS Code because we use Visual Studio Code for edit code project, and we see the project directory here. We project called product API, and there are object directory, property, app setting, development, .json, app setting and .cs is an entry point here. So we will write API method in program.cs for testing and working with minimal REST API here. So now let's get started to after we create project, we after we create project, we have to do the next step for our work. Okay, now you have to install one package is Microsoft Entity Framework Core in memory, because we use in memory database for storing data. So in order to use terminal in VS Code IDE, we press shortcut Control backtick. So you need to write command .NET add package and copy this package and pass here, and then install this package. Okay, package has been installed successfully in this project. So I need to clear terminal. Okay, we can see we have one model class is a product model class for storing instead of data that we are storing in the sample, is because class is represent of database object, and we have a DB contact, another one class is DB contact class. So we have two class. So we need to create class is class products that have four property is ID, name, price, and description. So inside here I create a new file is called products.cs, because we want to create product class. So now let me maybe I create new folder called models and I move product inside okay, and then inside the code we namespace products API dot models, and we have product class products, and we have we create property ID, names, price, and description. So we have four property in product model class. Okay, we have to create DB context. Inside, we have to create another directory. It's called data. And inside data, we create another class. It's called app DB context. Because we storing the data and create DB context. So I can type app db context .cs. We using Microsoft dot. Okay, we can say namespace product APIs. We copy this to top. Okay, inside here you have application DB context and inherits from DB context class based on DB context, and we create constructor app DB context. We have parameter DB context option based on app DB context option that based on DB context option. So we create DB set products. DB set products and set value, set products. Okay, now you have to config API inside the program.cs. We have to add some service inside here. So we add service DB context in the program.cs in order to run and create products DB. We have to create. We have to add service database in memory database in program.cs. So you have to add service here. I can add service builder dot service dot add db context and apps db context option dot use in option use in memory database, and we create new database name is product db. Anything here. Add db context. Builder service add db context app db context option. Okay, db context control tick, control period. Oh, we have to change a little here. Add db context. Control period. Use product API dot modals. Okay. Okay, now we have to implement CRUD APIs. That CRUD APIs is use methods for CRUD functionality such as gets. We have app.mapGets for making URIs route to endpoint via the URIs that we sample structure of API. So we use app.mapGets. We retrieve all data, get by IDs, and create. We use map post for create data. Updates we use map.map puts for update data and map.map deletes for delete data. So following here, you can try this code. I command this code, and now I can say I want to get all products here. So get all products, we use app.mapget, and you can name your routes, UIs. Here you call products, and return data. We use here asyncs, db context, and db products dot to list async for retrieve all data. So we have to get product by ID, and inside here you can use map.get products, and you use parameters. You use parameter here and products by IDs, and use you have parameter ID, application db context, and assign finds by IDs. Maybe I have to change this again. Okay, and you use this simple way is result.ok if it found a product when we search via ID, when we retrieve by ID, and this is a statement that you use is a ternary statement. Return true if result.ok it provides or return the product, and if false it return not found. If false it return not found. Okay, another you create new products by map post. Okay, map post for create new products slash product, and you use add methods, and you use db.saveChain when we create products. After then you have to use you update products by using map post. Okay, updates this we use map put for update product here, and you update product it have parameter. One parameter is ID for updates also, and the last one of method is you have implement API used to delete data, delete via product IDs. Okay, so now I have I have to complete my method for that we use inside the REST API is um, get, um, put, post, and delete. And we have map get that we get by IDs because we want to search something inside products. We would like to search exactly products. So now the next uh, s- the next work is we have to run and test API. Okay, we have to test our API. So we use .NET Run. You have to use .NET Run. Inside here, you can create another file for I can say my request dot HTTP. The file is for identify URIs, URI specific URI that you can take it to test with APIs. Okay, now the first I can create get and get. I can say get for making request API slash products. Okay, not maybe not API because we just use this just use port and name of products. Okay, for puts and for puts we another ways is put you can test with inside HTTP file here and put. Okay, and delete. Okay, I can test inside here the two way that you can test your API is you can test with these URIs with HTTP file. You can send request to client and the way you can use Open API IDE, Open API tools such as Postman or structure that you can run and test API. But the popular tool is structure, and another is you can test with Postman. Okay, now you can type um, I can test my minimal API here inside this file. I request send. Send request. Okay, alright, you can test here, and another way I can test with Postman. I can open Postman. Okay, now let's try with before you run your test your API with this method of this API. You can uh, run your project. Run we use command dot net run. Okay, you can see this. You have one port is you running in localhost HTTPs, not HTTPS. So you can copy this with this port for you address you you route URIs you can pass here because you have to run with this port is 5 1 8 and 3 another. Okay, another ones. Okay, now I would like to test, so I click send request. Oh, maybe I have to create I have to create first, so I can I can send I can create first product with post I send request. Okay, you can see this 201 create successfully. Okay, mean that you have create one product that server is respond to here. ID one, product one, this price. So I create product two and the price 20. Okay, and I click send request again. You can see is create successfully. ID is two, product two. Okay, now if you I try here, and if I send request here, you can see we retrieve data. There are two products here that we makes to send request to server via get methods via this URI. So we have two products in memory database. Okay. Okay, now I want to test put and inside put here I want to update new products. Name is product one. I have to update product one. I can say update product one and I have to delete here, tie here, so I can make send request, send request. Okay, send request. Okay, I can send request. No content. Update product one. Okay, update product two. Send request. Okay, now we if we try to get again, we have two product. Okay, update product 1, update product 2. So now let me get to try with delete methods with APIs. Delete. Okay, delete. Okay, now I want to delete. I want to delete products ID ones. If you click send request, okay. If you type here and you retrieve again, only products is appear here because we have delete one product. Okay, this is a simple way that you can practice start your minimal APIs products API with REST API and minimal API in ASP.NET course. And the next video we will implement or extend this work with products API project for doing anything the full system or e-commerce website or POS system. Thank you for watching video. See you next video.